In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch the ESPN app without a TV provider, so you can enjoy sports content hassle-free. Start by downloading the ESPN app on your device or accessing it via a web browser. While some features require a cable login, many events and shows are available through ESPN Plus, a standalone subscription service. Sign up for ESPN Plus directly in the app or website, which costs less than traditional cable. With ESPN Plus, you get access to thousands of live events, exclusive shows, and original content without needing a TV provider. Download games or shows for offline viewing if you're traveling or lack internet access. Alternatively, use streaming services like Hulu, plus Live TV, YouTube TV, or Sling TV, which include ESPN as part of their packages. These services don't require a traditional TV provider and often come with free trials. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel for more tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy ESPN without a TV provider.